In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record yourself in Canva. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to capture a video of yourself directly inside Canva and use it in your designs, presentations, or social media posts. You don't need any complicated tools, just a Canva account and a device with a camera and microphone. First, open Canva in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, either open an existing design you want to add your recording to, or create a new design with the size or template you prefer. It could be a presentation, a social media graphic, or even a video project. Make sure your design is open on the screen before you start recording. On the left-hand side of the Canva editor, you will see a sidebar with different options like Elements, Text, and Uploads. Go ahead and click on the Uploads tab. This is the section where you usually add images, videos, and audio files from your computer, but it's also where you can access the option to record yourself directly. Inside the Uploads panel, look for the option that says Record Yourself. Click on that. When you do this for the first time, your browser may ask for permission to use your camera and microphone. Make sure you allow those permissions so Canva can actually see and hear you. If you accidentally block it, you can usually fix this by checking your browser's address bar and enabling camera and microphone access again. Once you've clicked Record Yourself, Canva will open a recording window. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. These prompts will guide you through selecting your camera and microphone, and they may also give you a quick preview so you can adjust your lighting, framing, and sound before you start. Take a moment here to position yourself in the frame, check that your background looks okay, and speak a few words to test your audio levels. When you're happy with how everything looks and sounds, use the on-screen controls to start your recording. Speak clearly, look toward the camera, and go through whatever message or content you want to capture. When you're finished, click the stop button and Canva will process your video and automatically add it to your uploads. From there, you can drag your new recording directly onto your design, resize it, move it around, and integrate it, just like any other video element in Canva.